the third annual Bow River Flow. We've had 30 bands come out to play today and about 100 different activities. We're thrilled to have community groups and community associations, as well as both fitness and arts and culture organizations come out.
It's been building every year. More and more people recognize the need to get together to talk about these values, to see them actually change in this city, to see a more bike-friendly city, and to make sure that we connect with each other in a more positive way and not allow distrust or distance or difference to separate us.
Shutting down the street, I think, is a big part of it. Like just showing that you can get around pretty easily on your bike, and it's just sort of a statement, I guess, to about the city that we're starting to think about the issue of sustainability here. And it's, you know, it's one day out of the year. I think it's really important people just recognize that you can get around the city.